welcome back. So today I just said hey guys, oh my god, I'm sorry, okay, I cannot control this. So today I wanted to recreate the yellow makeup look that Kathleen Lights wore in her last video, but apparently I don't have any true yellow pigmented eyeshadow in my collection. I have these are from the BH Cosmetics second edition palette, and they are not pigmented. They don't perform nice on the eyes. I got them for my Halloween makeup, and that's why I have them in my collection, but they are not pigmented. They don't blend very well, so I'm sorry, BH Cosmetics, that's the truth. So I came up with this sunset makeup look. This looks like a sunset to me. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. And I used again my Perception palette and the Subculture, and yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then please keep watching. First I'm going to start with New Wave from the Subculture palette, and you can see how powdery that is, but I really don't mind because I didn't do my face makeup yet. So I'm going to apply this in my crease, and also this will be my transition shade. Next I'm going with more color, and I'm going to start building this. So today I wanted to do a very yellow makeup look, like yellow as my nails, but I don't have any good yellow in my collection, so I really wanted to recreate the makeup look that Kathleen Lights had in her last video. I don't know how is that called, but I really loved her makeup in that video, and she said she used a NYX palette, a new NYX palette. I don't know, I don't have that palette, but I love that yellow makeup look. So guys, I want to tell you something, like a disclaimer. I never said that I'm a professional makeup artist or a MUA or a makeup artist, whatever that is called. I never said that. I am just playing with makeup. Everything I know I learned by watching YouTube videos. So I want to make things clear, if that makes sense. So that's that. I just wanted to put this out there, and sometimes my makeup turns out nice, sometimes it's not that nice, but you know, at least I tried, and practice makes perfect. So the purpose of my videos is to show you what works for me, what are my techniques, how I'm applying eyeshadows, how I blend them. Next I'm going with Thick from the Perception palette. So yeah guys, I just wanted to put this out there. It's so weird for me to do my makeup and not listen music. I think music is life, right? I really like this combo. I did have some issues. I mean, I don't want to call them issues. I did have some patches on my other eye, but I covered that so you cannot see it, and that's cool. To cut that crease or to create the halo effect, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and a very small detail brush. So I put some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going to speed this part because it's kind of boring and you already know what I'm doing, right? Next I'm going to take TF and I'm going to set that concealer. What do you guys think about the Norvina palette? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. She did an amazing job with the color selection. I love purple. Like, I think purple looks so nice on, especially if you have green eyes. Like all the shimmers, like this top row is calling my name. Celestial, Wild Child, Rose Gold, even Love. I think even Drama is amazing. So I know that I need this palette in my life, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. We shall see. Next I'm going with Diva, and I'm going to buff a little bit those edges. Also, I'm excited for Camila Cabello and L'Oreal collaboration. Oh my god. So I'm just going to buff a little bit those edges, and then I'm going with another shade. Next, I'm going to use Revenge, and I'm going to apply this more on my outer corner and my inner corner. Next, I'm going again with TF and a little bit of Diva. On a wet brush, I'm going to take Unbothered and I'm going to define a little bit more that crease, hello, whatever. Next, I'm going with a little bit more of TF and a little bit more of Revenge. Alright, so I just lined my lash line with this L'Oreal Perfect Slim Liner, and next I'm going to apply my Wispies or my Demis. I don't know, these are from Ardell and they are from the twin pack. Off camera, I'm going to do my face makeup and I'm going to be right back. And I want to skip this step because I don't want this video to be extra long. And my routine is pretty much the same, and the only thing that changes is my foundation, because I kind of change the foundation almost every day. But other than that, I'm using the same product. So I'm going to be right back. On my bottom lash line, I'm going to mix TF and Unbothered. Next, I'm going to use just a little bit of thick, and then I'm going to go with Revenge. And I'm going to connect all the eyeshadows right here. Next, I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes, and this is Vivienne Sabo. And to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to take Glow Getter from the Anastasia Glow Kit. To highlight my face, I'm going to use Glow Getter, and I'm going to apply it with a sponge, with a wet sponge. And I like to apply this highlight with a sponge because this has glitters. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I feel like the sponge takes away a little bit of that glitter. So yeah, I'm going to remove the excess on the back of my hand, pinch the sponge and highlight. I usually start with my right side. To bronze my face, I always use my butter bronzer, and this is almost gone. And finally I could find a new one. This is so fresh, like look at this, fresh and untouched, because I haven't touched this yet. So smells amazing. So this is the bronzer that I reach for every single day. I love it. It's such a good bronzer. And for my lips, I really don't know what to do because I know it's kind of boring. I'm using every single time nude lipstick, but I really don't dare to apply a bold lip color with this eye makeup. I don't know, I feel like it's too much, you know. So I think I'm going to go with the nude again. Sorry. To line my lips, I'm going to use Skimpy from Colourpop, and I always over align my cupid's bow because it makes my lip appear a little bit more full, more plumped, if that makes sense. So I really wanted to do a matte lipstick for this eye makeup, but right now my lips are super dry, super cracked, so a matte lipstick is not a good idea. I'm going to go with this LOC, and this is in the shade Skinny Dip. And this is more like a pinkish nude. And yeah guys, this is the final result. I think this makeup look looks like a sunset, you know, the colors looks like a sunset. I don't know, I think it's cute. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. I got these eyeshadows for my makeup. I got this, but they are not. Don't forget to hide. Don't forget to drop your brush. I was about to say. I got this only for my makeup. Next I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lash line. Oh my god. Halloween.